Predicting the future of large language models, LLMs indeed present significant challenges due to the rapid pace of technological advancement and the complexity of factors influencing their development and adoption. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. LLMs are likely to continue improving in terms of their language understanding, generation, and reasoning capabilities. Advancements in model architectures, training techniques, and dataset sizes may lead to LLMs that exhibit even more human like understanding and conversational skills. Future LLMs may incorporate multimodal capabilities, enabling them to understand and generate not only text but also their modalities such as images, audio, and video. This could lead to more immersive and interactive AI experiences where LLMs can analyze and generate content across multiple modalities. Protecting user privacy and ensuring data security will be paramount in the future development of LLMs. Techniques such as federated learning, differential privacy, and secure multi party communication may be employed to preserve privacy while still enabling collaborative model training and deployment. Future LLMs may be integrated into collaborative and interactive applications that enable real time interaction between users and the AI systems. This could include virtual assistants, chatbots, educational tools, and creative platforms where users can collaborate with AI to generate content or solve problems. Research in the field of natural language processing (NLP) and AI will continue to drive innovation in LLMs, leading to new breakthroughs and applications. Interdisciplinary collaborations between researchers, industry partners, and policymakers will be essential for advancing the state of the art in LLM technology. While predicting the precise trajectory of LLMs is challenging, it is clear that they will play an increasingly prominent role in various aspects of society, from communication and content generation to decision making and problem solving. As LLMs continue to evolve, it will be essential to address ethical, societal, and technical challenges to ensure that they are developed and deployed in a manner that benefits humanity as a whole. Let's look into today's headlines. Intel to receive $3.5 billion to manufacture chips for military. According to congressional officials, the US government is prepared to invest $3.5 billion in Intel Corporation to enable the chipmaker to manufacture cutting edge chips for military and intelligence applications. The Secure Enclave program would receive the funds, which would be spread over 3 years. It is part of a larger $39 billion grant pool under the CHIPS and Science Act, which aims to persuade chipmakers to manufacture semiconductors in the United States. Over 600 businesses have shown interest in the money. RBI asks card issuers to allow users to select card network. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has instructed card issuers, which include banks, non-banks, and approved payment system providers, not to sign any contracts or agreements with card networks that would prevent them from using other card network services. This directive requires card issuers to give their eligible consumers the choice to select from a number of different card networks at a time of issuance. This must be offered to current cardholders when their next renewal comes up. IRIS, India's first AI teacher, is introduced in a Kerala school. The introduction of IRIS, Kerala's first generative AI instructor, is another creative move. IRIS, which was created in partnership with Maker Labs EduTech Private Limited, represents a substantial step forward in the application of artificial intelligence in the classroom. Iris is a humanoid that was unveiled at Tiruvananthapuram's KT Higher Secondary School with the goal of improving students' educational experiences. Apple reveals two zero-day vulnerabilities in iOS. The most recent security update for iOS 17.4 and iPadOS 17.4 includes patches for two zero-day vulnerabilities: CVE 2024-23225 and CVE 2024-23296, which Apple revealed and made available. A memory corruption issue impacting the kernel is known as CVE 2024-23225. According to Apple, an attacker with arbitrary kernel read and writes capability may be able to bypass kernel memory protections. Similar details can be found in CVE 2024-23296. However, it is unique to RTKit, the operating system found in the majority of Apple processors, peripherals, and embedded devices. Microsoft to no longer support Android apps on Windows 11. Users would be able to install new Android apps on PCs as Microsoft is allegedly discontinuing support for Android apps on Windows. Users of Windows subsystems for Android WSA will not be able to obtain and install the latest Android applications. The installed apps can be accessible for a year until Microsoft completely ends support in March 2025. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.